So in some cases of very large cuts of meat, such as this here ham, this is not a spiral cut ham. Therefore, I would like to remove the bone from it. And there's a knife for that. It's called a boning knife. And it's a little bit stiffer than a fillet knife. You'll notice it doesn't quite have the flexibility. That rigidity is what's going to allow me to remove meat directly from the bone. So don't ever let your blade lose contact with the bone. Here you'll see we have the bone at its core, and that's the other side of the bone. So I can only assume that there's a direct line between those 2 points. So I'll keep my finger on this end, keep my finger on this end. I see the line, and I'm now gonna run the line. Take my boning knife, I'll start right there. I'm now touching the bone. You can see I can't go through anymore. I'm on the bone. Go ahead and run down that same line. And I should, if I did my job right, expose the bone. See that?